Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a simple but seriously powerful Figma tip that can save you a ton of time: how to copy and paste text styles. If you've ever spent way too long tweaking fonts, sizes, colors, and spacing, only to need that exact same style somewhere else, this is going to make your life a whole lot easier. Let's set the scene. Imagine you've got a nicely styled heading on your canvas. You picked the perfect font, adjusted the weight, nailed the spacing, and maybe even dialed in a custom color. Right next to it, you've got another text layer that still looks plain and untouched. Now, instead of manually recreating all those settings, you can transfer the style in just a couple of clicks. Start by selecting the text that already has the style you want. Make sure you're clicking directly on the text layer itself, not a group or frame around it. You should see that familiar blue outline appear, confirming that you've selected the correct layer. Now here's the shortcut that does the heavy lifting. On Windows, press Ctrl-Alt-C. On Mac, it's Command-Option-C. What this does is copy all the styling properties, things like font family, size, weight, line height, letter spacing, and color. It doesn't copy the actual text content, just the appearance. Next, click on the text layer you want to update. Again, make sure you're selecting just the text. Once it's highlighted, press Ctrl-Alt-V on Windows or Command-Option-V on Mac. Instantly, that plain text will adopt the exact same styling as your original text. No guesswork, no manual adjustments. This is incredibly useful when you're working on larger designs with multiple headings, subheadings, and body text. Instead of constantly checking values in the right-hand panel, you can just copy and paste styles and keep everything consistent without slowing down your workflow. Now here's where things get even more interesting. While this shortcut is great for quick fixes, if you find yourself reusing the same styles over and over, you might want to take it one step further and create text styles in Figma. These are reusable style presets that live in your design system. Once created, you can apply them with a single click from the Styles panel. But even if you're not using a full design system yet, this copy-paste method is perfect for fast iteration. It's especially handy when you're experimenting with different looks and want to quickly apply changes across multiple text elements. A quick tip: if the style doesn't seem to apply correctly, double-check your selection. Sometimes it's easy to accidentally select a group or frame instead of the text layer itself. If that happens, the shortcut won't work as expected. Also, keep in mind that this method works best when both layers are text. If you try pasting text styles onto non-text elements, nothing will happen, so just be aware of that. Once you start using this regularly, it becomes second nature. You'll find yourself moving much faster and keeping your designs visually consistent without even thinking about it. And that's it, a small shortcut but a big upgrade to your workflow. If you found this tip helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you've got any questions or want more Figma tricks, drop them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.